So, ayan, good evening everyone. Ayan, good evening everyone. So, uwi na kami dahil tapos na kami mag-meeting about sa mga properties na meron kami. May properties ba? Bagay na bagay sa ating uniform, no? Oo. Bagay na bagay sa ating uniform, oh. Uy.
Siyempre naman.
Nakakalakas ng dating.
Nakaka-formal.
Nakaka-formal ng dating siya. Tsaka ka nakaka-normal, di ba? Tingnan mo at aura mo, oh. Oh. Di ba? Ang ganda. Oh, dissenting nga eh. Ayun sila. Ang Shana. Yo. So, ayan, kakain kami. Treat ni Marlouie. Treat ni Marlouie, kakain kami. Saan magkakainan? Hoy, saan daw kakain? Tayo na lang natirang matibay.
Angels daw. Ayaw niya ba lang kaya ano? Angels? Angels daw. Angels.
Oh, vlog yan, vlog.
Sige ma'am, pwede na lang kunin ma'am yung ano ma'am. Yung pangalan mo kasi taga-dun yan. Tatanong namin. Yung inulog mo ma'am, magkano po yung inulog? Ano mo na lang sa amin ma'am ha? Kasi taga-dun po kami sa paymaster shop. Para ma-check po na. Hindi kasi namin masagot yung tanong mo ngayon kasi wala po yung system. So next ay Pag-ibig Housing Loan. So magkano po yung pwede natin mahiram sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan? Pwede po tayo mahiram ng up to 6 million pesos. Pwede natin bayaran ng up to 30 years. No prepay penalties. So ibig sabihin po kapag nag-advance payment po tayo, wala po tayong babayarang penalty. Unlike pag may loan tayo kay bangko, kapag nag-advance payment tayo, may kasama pong penalty na babayaran yun. Multiple loans allowed, so pwede kayo mag-housing loan kahit kailangan mo lamang kung lalagyan ng 6 million pesos. So ano po yung pwede natin pamili sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan? So una po ay residential lot. So pwede po yung lupa lang bibili natin. Pangalawa, residential housing lot. Townhouse or condominium unit. Bago man po yan or luma. So property mortgage with Pag-ibig Fund. Adjoining houses or units inclusive of parking slot. Halimbawa po, meron na kayong lupa, gusto nyo magpatayo ng bahay, pwede po yung construction ng bahay.
So, wala mo nang magulo ha. Kasi kailangan namin mag-review dahil malapit na yung aming assessment. Okay? Nagbibideo ba? Okay. What is the importance of effective communication to a butler service? In order to understand each other well, learn their language, speak clearly, use hand gesture. Butler yun, butler. Ano ba yung kaibahan ng ballet sa butler? Ang ballet is a part of a housekeeping. The butler is formal gesture. Tama ba? Kalimutan agad ko, kababasa ko lang. What is the proper way to be well-groomed butler ballet? Why? Butler do the personal assistance pala. Butler do the personal assistance. And then the ballet do the housekeeping. Okay? How can you establish rapport with the guest? To establish rapport, first thing to do is smile, greet the guest, good morning, introduce yourself, my name is April, start the conversation. How can you access to guest record to provide personalized and quality ballet service? Through the guest reservation record in the reception area. What is the proper way to be well-groomed butler? Ballet, why? Okay, ang butler is do the personal assistance. I-assist si guest. While the ballet is do the housekeeping. For example, Oy! Sige. Bukas tayo. Give the characteristic required by a ballet butler. Ballet, honest, confident, knowledgeable, resourceful. Butler, being professional, knowledgeable, alert, protective, bilingual. How will you present guests the appropriate clothes for meeting with the other diplomats? Know the occasion. For diplomats, coat and tie of American suit.
Pag-usapan dito. Alam na kay ma'am sa February po after ng graduation. Dito daw babalik tayo. Mag-farewell party kain. Dito potluck na ulit.
Padlock ulit.
February 4.
Great. Sige na kayo. Nawa na ako sa aking classmate eh. Hindi na makapag-chat sa kanyang ano eh.
Ano, okay, grabe ka naman.
Practice mo dapat kung paano mag